Hello friends and welcome to Review Maza's another episode. Today we are going to do an unboxing video about ZGTS Derma Roller. A Derma Roller is basically a roller that has small pins, small needles in it, which is used for curing of acne scars and white pigmentation and different kinds of skin related problems. Some of them also use this Derma Roller for hair growth also. This is a very nice thing, so let's get started. So let's open it up. I've ordered it from Amazon. I'll be giving you the links below so you can also get them. This is a Derma Roller with 1.0 needles. So let's get started. Let's open it up. The packing looks good. Okay friends, a very nice bottle packed with a seal to it. Inside the bottle, okay, this is the Derma Roller. It is packed inside. Okay, here it is friends. It is coming with a concealed packing, and you can open it up like this, and this is the Derma Roller with its fine needles, 1 mm, and this is used on the affected area. Just we have to do 4 to 5 times on the affected area. We need to roll. This will puncture the skin pores, and it will promote the growth of the hormone that will actually heal the scars. So I'll make another video on using it, but just for now this is this unboxing video. And friends, I'll be making a how to use this machine video soon. Thank you very much friends. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. I try to bring new kinds of machines and new kinds of reviews every time for you, so please subscribe. Thank you very much friends.